sure. No, make sure.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless up on yourself when you don't know the style. You see me, so today video I go be lit with Rose and Expert. But first, we just want to shout out the place you call Ricky's Boutique. You see me, them have the male and the female clothing them. You see me, them thing turn up. You see me, and them have some nice thing to tell you the truth. Check them out. You see me, you can get them at 1-876-352-8914 or them Instagram Ricky's Boutique. You see me. Yeah man people, so this Rose beat got the party, and as you can see from head to toe or toe to head. You see me? Yeah man, Rose clean like a whistle. Comment down below and tell me all the thing people. You see me? Tell me, Rose will come out from here. Yeah, good girl Rose. And that's why them call her good girl Rose, you know. Differently when I talk about Expert, the people them not all like Expert, you see me? But him say man I go get married, you see me? Before me play the dance clip, check out this. Man, I go tell no lie people. Me will watch this for myself. I can tell you say a bag of things really go on. But you see through the background music with the artists and them copyrights thing, you see me really and truly I can't afford for my page get flagged. So please do understand with me. You see me while I take out the music in a second. Yeah, see that people, man, I go tell no lies still, you know. It come like a me make this a go on back, make Rose and Expert their party and dancing more than all of them something there. Come I repost one of them long time video and I said true back, you know. Come on, I tell a lie, this is where them did that come from and thing. I never see them come back with a video like that. Again till today I tell you that one is wicked. That one is bad with the Rose and Expert still. I'm not going to tell you no lie. You see me people, comment down below, tell me on the things. You see me? I know say the girl them full of that channel, I don't know why, but the thing them when I post them just love it. And I just saw me do my thing people, you see me? So I go post new content, I'm always there in the media, you see me? I just need that, you see me? Yeah, the channel just grow and I just know say year ago and I love all and so you might be feel like say I'm gonna observe, you see, but bless up on yourself, you see me, because new viewers come every time, you see me. But otherwise from that still, I'm not gonna tell no lie, Rose and Expert go on with a bag of things, people. Bag of things them go on with, you see me. One time I hear the selector, I say I love your week, you see me. Yo, but here we go on people. I'm not really to post no more Rose video for now still. If I want to post more Rose video in the comment down below, you see me. Yeah man, but I want the people them like it or not, you see me. But differently from that still at the end of the video this, so please consider subscribing if you're new and share to a friend or a family. You see it no matter. You see me. But bless up on yourself and bless up YouTube every time.